Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever turned on your car and heard that pesky ticking or clicking noise coming from the engine, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into episode 455, Engine Making Ticking or Clicking Noises. 2025. This is a common issue that can range from minor annoyances to serious problems, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can diagnose and potentially fix it yourself. Let's get started. First off, what causes these noises? Ticking or clicking sounds often stem from low oil pressure, which can lead to worn-out engine parts like valves or lifters. If your engine is low on oil, the metal components aren't getting the lubrication they need, causing them to rub together and make that irritating sound. Another culprit could be a loose timing belt or a faulty fuel injector, especially in newer models around 2025. And don't overlook exhaust leaks or even spark plug issues. They can mimic these noises too. Now, how do you diagnose it? Start by popping the hood and listening carefully. Is the noise more prominent when the engine is idling or when you're accelerating? Grab a mechanic's stethoscope if you have one, or even a long screwdriver to pinpoint the source. Next, check your oil level. Pull out the dipstick and see if it's low. If it is, top it up with the right type of oil for your vehicle. While you're at it, inspect the belts for any signs of wear or looseness. If you're handy, you might try tightening loose components or changing the oil yourself, but remember, safety first, always work on a cool engine. However, if the noise persists or gets louder, it's time to take your car to a professional mechanic. Ignoring it could lead to bigger issues like engine damage, which might cost you a fortune in repairs. In summary, ticking noises are usually fixable with some basic checks, but don't delay if it seems serious. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.